Hi, this is Ambasam Aston Professor SNS College of Technology. I would like to welcome you for the another session. What we are going to discuss about in this topic is how the diesel power plant is basics has been expressed in the previous video. Now we are going to discuss about the next video, which is common related to the PPT. Where I like to share the presentation, which is topic of diesel power plant. Yes, everybody knows the diesel power plant in the previous video itself. Now we are moving towards the working principle. So normally the work air from the atmosphere is drawn into the compressor and it is compressed. Then it can process through an air filter. Once the air filter has been processed, the dust has been removed and the clean air is sent to an diesel engine. So the clean air is sent it through a filter where it gets filtered and the clean oil is injected in a diesel engine through a fuel injector. So the mixture of composed air and the spray of fuel are ignited into an engine around the combustion takes place. The heat energy is utilized for driving the generator, so which normally produces an heat. As I said that earlier, right? So now moving to a layout of the power plant diesels, like which is I said earlier. So the diagram of the diesel power plant has been provided below. So to understand the basic, the first important step is to transfer the starting raw material, that is fuel, from the mines to the power plant. This is done via transportation, and also when the fuel reaches the power plant, is stored in a storage place for future use. The coal or the fuel brought to the plate in a large chunk, since it needs to broken into small parts, which is done into via crushers. Then it is fed into a boiler. Then the boiler coil, we also bring purified form of water from the rivers and other source, which is clean and sent into an fuel force and sent into the boiler drum, which is clean. And they when the fuel is heated, a lot of heat is generated and the thermal energy is given to a water, which helps to convert the steam. This steam is under unit quiet pressure, quiet pressure, and is then passed through a superheater where it forms, which is the turbine. The thermal energy of a steam is converted into mechanical energy through turbines. Then they rotate due to the when rotate to the steam arm. The turbine connected to the same shaft as the alternator. Therefore, the rotation of turbine also rotate of the alternator. So this is how mechanical energy is converted into electric energy. Then the energy is then transferred to a commercial use purpose. As I said, that the main components of the diesel power plant is it consists of fuel tank, fuel filter, and the fuel pump and the injectors. So air intake and exhaust system, so they consist of compressed, the filter and pipes of for the fuels or supplies or pipes for exhaust gas. In the exhaust system, the silencer is provided to reduce the noise. Cooling system circulates the water around the diesel engines to keep the temperature at reasonably low temperatures. So in the lubricant system, this includes lubricant oil or pump and the filters and lubrication oils. And starting system from initial, the starting device used to compress air, battery, electrical motor or self starter. So as I said that these are the important things which we are discussing about the filter, and where I said that this is the working principle, where the fuel has been transferred through filter. The pump is used to take into a day tank, and also similarly the air from the atmosphere has been taken in the air filter. Then the both fuel and the air is injected into a multi-cylinder diesel engine. So the filter and fuel pumps were indicated. Similarly, the air compressors starting air is transferred to a multi-cylinder diesel engine where it will start to lubricate. The cold oil has been sent into the hot oil has been sent into oil cooler where it has been cooled and it has been transferred into a cool and lubricant oil. Similarly, the hot water has been transferred into a spray tank with the help of two pumps. One is for getting from the air, getting hot water and releasing a cool water into a multi-cylinder where the exhaust has been transferred to a silencer. Similarly, the generator has been used to store the power generated through this. So by using this electric engine, the main important merits is power plant can be easily installed. It occupies less space, efficiency is high, it requires minimum labor, no ash disposal is required. The fuel handling is very easy to them. Once it has a disadvantage, there is some disadvantages. Right? The demerits of the diesel fuel injector is fuel is more expensive, maintenance cost is high, capacity of diesel engine is low, and also the life of the plant is very low. This is something about the presentation which I am sure. So now we are moving towards the next topics in the next class. Till that, I'd like to thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. This is Samsung signing off.